Come on, what are you doing? Thing is just like slow as balls. Bonus features too. User interface. Just debug, not long. Okay. I needed to be able to tell. I need to make it so that way there's like a scoreboard, something that just keeps the tally of the score, and then every time it score goes, what does this actually go on? Detect collision is on the cookie, and it's on the cow. How am I gonna need score plus plus? The score equals. I need to make a loop. need to make like a loop. How to increment. I need to keep a score. This shouldn't be too hard. Oh yes, let me see. This is probably ready to be downloaded. This is our day 6. This is the day I raged out. Fucking raged quit IRL. And the issue that was that was happening was I didn't have a rigid body on my fucking box collider, so it wasn't actually colliding. It was just being sesh. Yep. Perfect. The cycle begins anew, bro. Bam. I don't. Nothing is made for kids. So that'll take a while. I don't have to do this anymore, and I do need to wait for this to be able to be downloaded. So this is all done, and we are back to Layun. Okay. I need this to return something, that's why. Um, it's all great and all, but this thing don't do it. So if all right, well, I have to look it up because I have absolutely no fucking clue. It's already downloading it. Ugh. Unity, how to keep score.
Why should you use Miro? Well, when you draw on a whiteboard, no one sees it. With Miro, you plan together in real time from literally.
Today I'm going to show you how to keep track of the score in your game.
I hate this video.
Important things I might have mentioned before, that if we are going to add to a total score, Now this tutorial has been based upon another one about a FPS controller. I'll put links to that in below, and I'll show you how to create all the objects as well as we go through. But the aim of the tutorial is to set up a scoring system. So we'll actually create a scoring box on the screen that you can see in the top left here, and that moves with us. And then as we move around and collide with the balls,
when scripting in Unity,
you'll see the score
sometimes we want a variable that is one of a set of
and each
constants.
ball's worth 100 points. And you'll collide with the balls, they're also removed from the stage, and we destroy the game object. So let's get underway and create this project. Now the first thing we want to do is actually place the 3 spheres onto the screen. So we're going to go up to Game Object, and I'm going to add a rigid body. So if it's not there, just type up the top RIG, and you'll see it come up, and we'll add a rigid body. If we want to detect a collision, we need a rigid body to collide with. So our first person can collide with this ball. So that's sphere 1, and I'm just going to leave that there at the moment. And I've got my person. The other thing we need is an area on the stage that we can actually create a scoreboard. So to do that, we're going to go up to Game Object and create an empty object. And in here, we'll actually give it a name. And we're going to call this scoreboard. Now that object can be also moved around. So we're just going to slide that out around to this position here. But we'll actually control this a little bit later by code. So let's go create a first script now. Now the very first thing I want to do is actually get our scoreboard to appear. So I'm going to head into my project folder, into my scripts folder. If you haven't made those, right mouse click and go create folder. And this is where my scripts are going to go in here. I've also got some old scripts, but we won't worry about those at the moment. C# script. We're going to call this keep score. And then I'm going to open this script up. Now once this script is open, there's some things we want to do about the scoreboard. Let's have it appear on screen to start with. So I'm going to go down and we're going to go into a new function. So we're going to void and on GUI. We're just going to open a brace and close a brace. And what we want to do when we create...
I don't know, man. You seem crazy, man.
Create social media ads with Fiverr. You'll need your brand manager, copywriter, and Xena, a Fiverr freelance video editor.
Using free assets. When I play it, you can see that our character can collect diamonds, but you can't see any score at the top that is needed for any UI buttons with our score counter. But you can't see any score at the top, so let's fix that. We will start by creating a simple UI with our score counter. Right-click in the hierarchy and select UI text. That will create for us an event system that is needed for any UI buttons, canvas that is drawn on the top of our game, and the text itself. Great. To preview how it will look on the screen, double-click on the canvas. This white line represents the borders of our screen, and in fact, if we go to the game window, you can see our text in the same position. Now, let's put the text at the top of the screen. To do that,
I just want to quickly do this to make sure that I'm not fucking wasting my time. Hierarchy. Text. Okay. Yep, sure. Listen, I wanted to. Interesting. All right, well, clearly that's it. Oh. I like the way you move. Okay, I need this to be smaller. Okay, so that's useless. Position. This doesn't actually, oh, it kind of does, right? What's the pivot? All right. Okay. I don't understand why the fuck. What do we have on here? Like, can I not scale this down? What happens if I try to scale this down? Nothing? Okay, let's see then. And that way you move. This could be bigger. Although it's pretty perfect right now. I'm going to leave it.
But make sure you have a rect tool selected and move our text to the top.
Why is he able to go to like this other world with this shit? Oh wait, no, there's the game down there. Okay, never mind.
To make sure it will be stick to the top of the screen no matter what resolution is active, click on this Anchor Presets button and select Top Center. As you can see, after that change, everything is placed correctly. Now let's look at the text itself.
What is he? Okay, I see. Cool. And that way you move. Does this throw anything else off? No. Alright, bet.
For now, I will give it an example value like 10 points. Then, time for the font. Please don't use Arial. You can easily import other fonts to Unity. Simply open Google Fonts website, choose the one you like, and click Download Family. Font downloaded like this, simply drag to the Unity Assets folder, and it should be immediately selectable here in the font menu. Next, font size. Let's say 18. Alignment, center middle, and the blue color, for example. As you can see, the
Font size. Hello. Is not valid anymore, babe. Your CFR certification. You should take that off your resume. Alrighty.
Score text already looks great. Let's quickly duplicate it, move it a bit down, and this time set the value to high score 20. This one doesn't need to be as big, so I'll change its size to 8 and the color to a bit darker blue. Looks perfect. Time for some coding. First click on the canvas, add component, and create a new script called Score Manager. Open it. Here we'll need to link our UI text, but before we can do that, let's add at the top Unity UI dependency. Type using unityengine.ui. Then here at the top of the class, type public text score text and public text high score text. We'll also need to add two variables, int score equals 0 and int high score equals also 0. All of that to keep track of the current points. Then here in the start method, we like to reset the counter. So type score text equals score.toString plus points. For the high score text, it will be simply high score.text equals high score colon plus high score.toString.
Okay,
Now save the script and in Unity attach both text high score colon
I scored it. Okay.
plus high score.toString. Now save the script and in Unity attach both text to the corresponding fields by simply dragging them from the hierarchy. Run the game and you can see that points and high score text are resetted. But still, if our character
Oh. Hierarchy. So now I need to make a
jumps on the diamonds, they simply disappear without giving us any points. Let's fix that. Here on the right, I have a method that is triggered when the player collides with the diamond. Our goal is to send a message to the score manager and add some points. Let's set it up. In the score manager, I'll create a new method. Let's type public void rPoint. Open brackets. Here we need to do two actions. First, let's change our score by 1. Type score plus equals 1. After that, we need to update the UI by simply copying that line here. The next challenge will be to trigger that method from the daemon script. To do that, we need to create an instance that would basically allow us to access methods from the score manager in any script. In the score manager, at the very top, type public static score manager instance. Then, let's create an awake method. Void awake open brackets, and here type instance equals this. That means that at the very start of our game, even before the start method, we'll set an instance of this manager. That way, here in the onPlayerEnter, we can type score manager that instance that add point. Okay, time to test everything out. Save both scripts, go back to Unity, and press play. Now, when our character will get the diamond, we'll see 1 point added. The last thing
God damn. All right. Score manager, I need to create a variable that is text. Score text equals text.
Scores to the two string that point, simply dragging them from the hierarchy. Run the game, and you can see that points and high score text are reset points. Collides with the
So first things first, I need to create a score manager. I then need to then I need my two public text score. There we go. I need to make a score text, right? Score text and a score actual int. I need score. Boom. She bang. She bang. No. All right. Yeah. But wait, I guess he wrote 10 points, I believe, right? He like already wrote an amount of points.
it. But still, run the game, and you can see that points and high scores to keep track of goals. Here we'll score text and public and move it at high score 8, darker blue. Let's quickly duplicate it, move it at
All right, 10 points. Did he just write that? Okay, yeah, let's see. So he does it, huh? He does score. This dude, big old 10. And then boom. No. Wait, I remember I had to add a component for something.
and create a dependency. Text and add component and create a new script.
Okay, that component was just creating a script. So then score manager, yes, beautiful. Layun, spawn manager, score manager. Throw that on here. And then we throw this to there. Text. Okay. How the fuck does this man do this then?
Called score manager. And here at the score that text colon text to the corresponding fields by
Text 1, text 2, scores, text.
simply dragging them from the hierarchy. Run that to string.
Okay, score equals 0. I have that both, right? Oh, no, I don't. Okay. Still though, he puts his script right on his canvas.
Now save the script and in Unity attach both text to the corresponding.
Yeah, the canvas has the score manager script and it's got both things. Why also? Okay, because I guess he just privates probably. Why can't this go here? He legitimately puts exactly that there, right? Am I not fucking retarded?
Now save the script and in Unity attach both text to the corresponding fields by simply dragging them from the.
Alright.
But before we can do that, let's add at the top Unity UI dependency. Type using Unity Engine.ui. Then here at the top of the class, type public text score text and public text high score text. We'll also need to add two variables. Int score equals 0 and int high score equals also 0. All of that to keep track of the current points. Then here in the start method, we like to reset the counter. So type score text equals score toString plus points. For the high score text, it will be simply high score text equals high score colon plus high score toString. Now save the script and in Unity attach both text to the corresponding.
Okay, so maybe it's got it in there, bro. Come on. The only fucking difference is this. Script. I don't want to fucking I don't want to create a new fucking script, bro. I want this to go onto here. I want this to go onto here. Like what the fuck, bro? This is the difference in the TPM, right? This is exactly that. That's what's going on. This motherfucker. So, bro, then how about make a fucking UI? I just want regular text. Regular fucking text. Cut. Legitimately get rid of this shit. Delete it. You fucking bitch. Like, bro. Bro, if I fucking have to write pro here. Alright, so it's garbage. It's all fucking trash. This is the fucking stupidest shit, bro.
Fields by simply
What has to like fucking piss me off with this bullshit is one is legitimately text mesh, and then it's like the biggest fuck you why that's even there. Fucking bitch.
When I move, you move. Just like that. Hey Google, take a selfie. Stand up. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that.
Imagine what would happen if every person in the United States suddenly visited your website. Would it crash?
Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to Speed Tutor, and today we're going to be looking at TextMesh Pro and understanding the way to install it.
Well, this is just retarded because it's not like I would use TextMesh Pro like, you know, like it's like create UI and it's my only fucking option. All right, can I just create a text? Just regular full fucking text? No. So it's like why? Image not text. Really, it's just like absolutely text document. Really, it's just absolutely fucking the stupidest shit you could ever like do. Text. All right, there it is. I found it easy as fuck. I should probably learn Mesh Pro. I guess I should do one at a time. So I'm going fucking legacy. Text. Oh my god, with this bowl. Let me just make sure that this can go into here. Bro, why? Why can this not go in? It doesn't, it's now it doesn't, it just doesn't. Oh wait, no, this is text message, that's why. So you don't piss. It can't do anything. Why? Like, this is what this guy has. I need to delete this. I need to delete this and do it exactly his way, and I really hope that. Like, this is when this shit just. Alright, what do you think? Why is there a second score manager? UI toolkit. All right. Now, would you look at that? I'm gonna fucking completely do that. No, don't work. And it does work. All right. Well, this is like the absolute dumbest shit I've ever, you know, it's just ridiculous. Where is it? Doesn't even say anything anymore. Like, I just couldn't even tell you, man. But why can't I just do this with a regular script? Why does it have to be a UI toolkit? Is that what his is?
Dragging them from the hierarchy. Run the game, and you can see that points and high score text are resetted. But still, if I add component and open it, here we create a new script called Score Manager. Open it. Here we'll need to link our UI text, but before we can do that, let's add at the top Unity UI dependency. Type using corresponding fields by simply.
Where the hell is the goddamn thing? Where is his script? Score Manager. It's just in some random ass spot. All right. Well, whatever. I don't really give a shit. I figured it out. Goodbye, old Score Manager. I fucking hate you. Delete. Control Alt Delete. And guess what? Yeah, you're broken, I bet, right? Rename. Get rid of this too. Okay. Somehow new to execute itself. Can I just put this in here? Okay, we're gonna say score. We going Y. Where's the color at? Yeah, go white. What? Where the hell's the new material, bruh? Create new material. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Text. Text mess, bro. Material. UI color. Go into here and become white. White as can be. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna go into this text. Material will be white. Yeah, I wish, I really wish. I really wish things in this, this shit made sense, but of course it doesn't. Delete. What are you gonna fucking do? Is that gonna save my text? Font size, style, bold. Is this just because its border is? Get a bigger border, and now let's see if font size. Yeah, okay. So it has everything to do with the border. But I also don't really. I just want this to change colors. This is just buns. Like, is this gonna turn white when the game starts or something? Null reference, object reference not set to an instance or of an object. Alright, well, hold on. No! Oh my god. Bring them all back. I know what that is. Shut up. Still trying to make this be white. Is there something that just says color? Oh, money. Easy as hell again. Get this bold out of here. It looks like trash when it's bold. Alright, let me move this. Anybody check over your garbage? A lot of end which I need to finish college. Go in there. Start. Oh my god, I'm such a. Why does it move though? Oh, is that the whole? That's probably what that is. I'm definitely going to just move that over though, because it pisses me off. Now let's see if it. No, it still does it. Why is that? Why is it doing that? No. Being able to move at double the speed is always better. Like, I don't know any fucking sane person that wouldn't agree. I'm gonna move this all the way over here. What happens then? It still gets shunted over. Now, why? I need to figure out why that is. Let's see if me changing this does anything. Let's just say it's in this corner. Okay, no, it's still doing it. I like her, like I'm falling for the boys. Ew. Flow, crazy, so outlandish. Oh, you know what? That's probably in the script, right? What happens if this is right here? I truly have no clue what the fuck that is. Okay, okay.
Dragging them from the hierarchy. Run the game, and you can see that points and high score text are resetted. But still, if our character jumps on the diamonds, they simply disappear without giving us any points. Let's fix that. Here on the right, I have a method that is triggered when the player collides with the diamond. Our goal is to send a message to the score manager and add some points. Let's set it up.
On player, enter. Oh, that's why that's all there. Hold on, I guarantee you on trigger, enter. How would you know? How does this know? No, why the fuck would I do that? No. See, why is this like that? Okay. I don't know. I don't really know right now. Why is this broken? Control Alt Delete.
The score manager, I'll create a new method. Let's type public void add point. Open brackets. Here we need to do two actions. First, let's change our score by 1. Type score plus equals 1. After that, we need to update the UI by simply copying that line here. The next challenge will be to trigger that method from the Daemon script. To do that, we need to create an instance that would basically allow us to access methods from the score manager in any script. In the score manager, at the very top, type public static score manager instance. Then let's create an awake method. Void awake open brackets, and here type instance equals this. That means that at the very start of our game, even before the start method, we'll set an instance of this manager. That way, here in the onPlayerEnter, we can type score manager that instance that add point. Okay, time to test everything out. Save.
No, boy. Instance. Instance. See, I hate this. I hate this. Equals this. What? Oh, this is my deduct. Okay, well. How is this detect collision? Get rid of this. Get rid of this. This is me fucking up. That's why. Get rid of all that. Get the fuck about it.
Okay, time to test.
It just doesn't show the sheet. Oh. All right. Does this work? Yay. Fuck this shit. Oh, I didn't do any of this part. Okay. On this. I guess this is instantiate. Bro, I'm like terrible at this shit. Bang. Yeah. I know exactly what'll fix this immediately. And instead of doing this and all this, okay. Dude, what? Okay. Jesus Christ, what the heck is happening? Oh no. Do the animals actually need this detect collision script? I want to know. I want to know what drugs is. 1, 2, 3, they don't. Cause I'm a guy. Do it again. I did it again. I did it again. Fire. I would like to get a little bit more control over this. So let's see. Score. Score to strength. Why is it? What happens if I put a space here? Now this should be right. Because there's clearly a space there. Now this will be good. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it, man. I don't get it, man. No. Bah. What if I did this? What would happen then? What the would happen then? That's the real question. Huh. So what I type there, like, kind of doesn't matter. No, it does, because now it's gone. What is it? What's happening? Once the number completely takes over. Why? Okay, cool. Score manager, this does not need to be public. This could be private. Because we know we start at 0, save that sheet. I don't get this. Only in like the very first instance does it actually do anything. I don't think that'll do anything. Ah, that's why. There. Give me some points. Okay, perfect. Let's get 10 points. Okay. Okay, and then the last thing is I don't really understand why the fuck this has no space in it. Maybe that might help it. Let's see if it moves forward. Yep. So, do I accidentally have a space in here? Is that what's happening? I do. Wow. Well, that was that. Debug.nog, more like it. On account of all that brain. Okay. Well, there's that. Now let's give this guy his...
Everything out. Save both scripts, go back to Unity, and press play. Now, when our character will get the diamond, we'll see 1 point added. The last thing we're missing is saving the high score. I would suggest using a player prefs, a built-in way to store data for your game. Here in the addPoint method, we'll type player prefs that set int and pass in the name of our int. Let's call it simply high score. And then the value, score variable. Just before that, we also need to create a simple if statement. If high score is smaller than score, then run our player prefs method. Without that, even the lower scores would be saved as a high score. Then here in the start method, just before setting up the text, type high score equals player prefs that get int and request the variable of the same name, in my case, high score. You can also specify here the default value if nothing has been saved yet, so type just 0. That's it. When we'll go back to Unity, press play, get some diamonds, and die, you can see that the high score is saved. What's more, even if I would restart the game, you can see that the score is preserved. If you're interested in creating a simple online leaderboard for your game, check out this
I could easily make this for lives, but the issue is if I make this for lives, it won't have. Lives won't, like, I don't know. I guess that's fine, right? Bring in another one. Score manager. Now I put lives manager. Oh boy. I want to see something. This should still work, right? It's not gonna break anything. Okay. Need I need to create a new UI. Create. So can I? Okay, no, I can't. UI toolkit. Hello. What's up? Where the fuck is just UI? Didn't I just have just UI? Am I like, do I have to do this directly into here? Yeah, I do. Hmm. 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 What happens when I just click UI? It was text image. That's what made the. Okay, okay. I don't want this. How did I make this? How did I make canvas?
We will start by creating a simple UI with our score buttons, canvas that you can even see. Right-click in the hierarchy and select UI text.
Okay, I don't know. I guess it's just with the very first time you make it or something. Deleted bit. Okay. Oh no, did I do this? Okay, let's see. Blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Um. Okay, that's still going. In the meantime, I should download the next. Let me download the next. Is this the one I raged on? Why is there so many long ones? I feel like I haven't been doing long ones. Okay. Create. No, dude. lives. Okay, font size. What is the font size of this? 20? Well, then the font size shall be the same. Street color. Just go red for now. Beautiful. And now I need. Why is this under here? Lives manager. Let's see where this goes. Why'd that go there? I'd have made that in this thing. Is that I probably just need the UI Unity toolkit. That's probably. I wonder what the fuck that means. But I feel like I probably don't even need to keep those in here anymore. But when I make them, I do. I'm gonna leave that here for now, just because I want that to be like obvious while I'm a noob. You know? Okay, and now. So this is all gonna happen here. I need a different one. I need one that's based on the player. So I need to specify collisions. Did it already get downloaded? Do these have a time? Yes, they do. This one must go in now. And this one must be. Which is the one? I just need to go to the newest day. 7. So that must be 7-1. Alright, so I'm going to just make a bunch of go je2 that don't have no picture. It's a picture of a white screen, bruh. Bob, I'm hungry now. Can you grab me my plate of food, please? Zip, zop. Okay. I can make this part, because this part's just going to be basically identical to this part. Yeah. Right. So what do we do here? We do all this, create an instance for it. It's going to be lives. Lives are instance at 3. It's going to be this. No, it ain't. I lied. It's going to be this. Yeah. And then this can go in here. And it's going to be lives. Private void awake. Now I'm just going to be able to do this for mad different things. I'm going to stop this. No. This is going to be now lives. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I'm trash. I'm trash. Beautiful. And now it's done. It's going to be lives. And now I have to just go ahead and make a script that... Actually, no, hold on, because this is... Yeah, see, now we got to do add point. This is going to be take damage. Private? It's going to be public void. It's going to be lives minus minus. And then I need to update that score text. All right, yeah, it's looking real nice. Now this is ready to go, but I need to make it a collision detection that only detects. Does my player have a rigid body? No, he does not. I could add a rigid body with no grav. Let's see what happens. Well, is he gonna disappear? Oh no. Objects reference. No. There's nothing in this. This doesn't. The script's not on anything. Is that just a script breaking it for no reason? Oh, you know what it is? Well, no, the thing is this is not on anything. Oh, fuck, it is. There you go. Boom. Should not grab hot control when with an active capture. Say nothing. How about that? Sweet. So now I just need... This is a two-handed game, dude. This is fucking that game with the zombies that came in on that Newground mini clip shit. This is that. This is always was that. Just try to figure out how to break it. Railgun them. Okay. I guess I'm right here. Let me get to 100. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. And hunted. All right. Looks good. Looks fine. Hunt bands. Ooh. Nicole, do you want to start making the food that we're gonna make for Thanksgiving right now? Okay, not an answer to the question, babe. Well, I guess I could just do a detect collision that does everything. Well, no, because it's gonna be all this other. I don't know if there's gonna be a way to do this, but what I need to do right now is either in this one script be able to dictate if it's like what the object is, you know? Like if it's a pizza and it's hitting a cow, destroy the cow and the pizza, but if it's a cow hitting a human, then the human takes damage, but the cow keeps passing through. I don't really know. But that's what I need to figure out, and that's where I'm at right now. So I'm done. I put in 1.5 hours, so I'm gonna call it and do my other stuff for the day.